What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick tutorial of the Salespype sales management platform and its different features. So Salespype is more than just a software or a platform that allows you to manage your pipeline for your business. If you go to salespype.com, if you scroll down here, you can see that they offer much more. They have full CRM or customer relationship management. They have task automation features. You can manage your pipeline, of course, manage your appointments, create websites, manage your sales funnel, and much more. Now, to start using it, simply start a 14 days free trial or log in if you already have an account. We are going to start a 14 days free trial from here. And here I need to enter some information such as my full name, email address, and phone number. So I'm going to enter them pretty quickly. Okay, then click next. Then I need to enter my company name. That's How to Simple. Okay, next. What's your industry? Let's say I am in the marketing industry. Okay, next. How did you hear about us? You can choose any option. So I'll choose Facebook, for example, then submit. Okay. And here you need to pay $79 per month, which is the paid plan, of course. However, I'll just continue with the free trial. They are just saying the price or telling me the price. I'll just continue to free trial. And here I need to add my contact information, my billing information here. So the first name, last name, city, state, zip code. And now the payment information, my card number, in order to create my account. So you need to add your payment information in order to create your account. So that's how you do it. You enter your information, your payment information, and voila, your account is created. And of course, you will have a 14 days free trial to begin with. You will not be charged from the beginning here. It's $79 per month, the price. You'll be charged after the free trial if you decide you want to continue using the platform. So let's go back to the home screen pretty quickly and take a look at some of the features here that might help you to manage your business. Okay, we are now on the home screen. I did go through the main benefits here. So including the full CRM, automation, and others, you can see all the features right here. And if you scroll down here, you can see some other features related to certain aspects of your business. So here they tell you that they have tools that are designed to enable you to capture your leads and turning them into clients. And it doesn't matter the source. You can get your leads from Facebook, Zapier, APR, or even upload a CSV file with your leads information. And you can learn more or even watch a demo that explains the platform even more. Here you can use automation tools in order to increase or communicate with your leads and be able to gain them even more. Such as, for example, it helps you automate your follow-ups during drip marketing, so you can follow up with your customers with built-in communication channels such as email marketing, video email, two-way text messages, and more. And also you can use one inbox for all your messages and communications, including email, video email, voicemail, call recordings, and others. And here you can stay organized by managing your pipeline, the pipeline or the workflow for your business, and managing the different stages here for the workflow. Here it does have a click and drag interface similar to other popular organization tools such as Trello or Monday.com, for example. Intuitive designs, you can create custom pipelines and have unlimited amount of pipelines. They also have automation triggers built in. And here you can manage also your calendar. So as I showed you from the beginning of the video, they do have appointment management capabilities. So you can manage your schedule, your booking appointments all in one place, and you can sync your external calendar, automate appointments, share your calendar link, and speed up your sales cycle. Also, you can get here leads on demand. So you can get data points, including name, email, phone, and mortgage info and everything. So you can organize your leads. And here they have a comparison between the services offered in many platforms and the cost that you need to pay for each platform. So for CRM and sales pipeline, you need to pay for email marketing separately, video email. So for each service that you need to pay for separately, Salespype includes all of these services in one place. You can manage all your business aspects in only one place. Scrolling down even more, here you can see some more information as well as some video testimonials and information. And here's the pricing. So here it's $79 a month fully loaded, plus $25 a month each additional users, and you get unlimited contacts, one-on-one onboarding, live chat support, no contracts, no commitment. And also you can integrate your favorite tools with them. So that was like a quick overview of the Salespype business management platform.